Hi, I'm Alina. I'm new to any sort of art community. Nice to meet you. At first, I had this idea and I wasn't sure if it was actually going to work, but I kept pushing for it. I first sketched my hair, and since holographic stuff reminds me of space, I drew space buns. After that, I lined out the shape for it so I have a reference of the shape when rendering. I used the lasso tool to fill in the hair and I started adding the lights and shadows. You don't need to worry about the color at all as long as the values and depths are there, so just do everything between black and white here. I use these hairbrushes to make my strands, while I use the basic airbrush to add shadows. Then I make a new correction layer with gradient map, and now for the moment of truth. Wow! That's not right. I'm gonna clip the correction layer to the hair and see what's going on here. I found that changing the blending mode to screen made it a lot better. I'm honestly not too disappointed with the results. You can probably make things better if you add in more details with color, but doing it this way definitely skips some tedious process. Thank you so much if you've been watching up until this point. I'm still learning artist and I wish to find a senpai that'll teach me. Bye!